this is Arthur again, and today we have this 2013 BMW X5 35i. This car has 117,000 miles. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I have a lot of videos on interesting cars and interesting repairs. If you are a new subscriber and you came from the Rolls-Royce Ghost video, I really appreciate it. The video was very popular, and I'm hoping to get some of my other videos as popular as well. Alright, as far as this car goes, it is here because it has air suspension issues. This particular X5 has third row seat, and with third row seat, this E70 models got rear air suspension, and this one is collapsed, it's not going up. Typically it happens because of blown airbags or a bad pump, or it could be some other electrical issue. In this case, I'm going to show you what is the issue and what parts I have to fix it, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the repair. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, let's take a quick look at the car. This is a 13. It's the last year for E70. It is a sport package. It's my favorite package on these cars. I have a same kind of X5, white with same interior, same color interior. This owner recently purchased this car. It is in pretty good shape. I think it's a pretty cool color. You don't really see this color that much, especially with interior. It does have some good packaging, sport, also shifters, and a few other things, heated seats and so on, navigation. Well, that's not really the issue that it's here for, but as you can see, it's the collapsed rear suspension. It's all the way down, and it rides like you would imagine. It's like on rocks. Alright, let me see if I can show you the issue. Okay, right now I have the ignition on. As you can hear, we have this loud noise, and it is coming from the air pump. So right away you can see there's something going on with the air pump, and I did disconnect the lines to the air pump where it comes out, and there's no air pumping out at all, although the pump is on. And from the noise of it, you can tell there's something mechanically failed inside the pump. Most likely a piston or something broken, and it's making a lot of noise, and we'll need a new pump. Okay, now that it's quiet and you can hear me, the air pump is defective and it's not pumping, so we're gonna have to install a new air pump. So, as well as the owner told me, when the car was parked overnight, the rear would sag, and just by looking at them, the bags look like the original ones to the car, possibly, or pretty old, and these usually develop small cracks and they start leaking. They did take a trip recently prior to this happening, so I'm guessing if the car was overloaded or loaded and the airbags do have some kind of a leak, they kept pumping and the pump didn't survive. It was probably close to failure, and it finally failed. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the pump first, and then I'll see if it starts going up. Okay, everything's okay, then I'll do the bags as well. Here are the new parts that I have for this repair. It's a new R-nut compressor complete with bracket, as well as it comes with a valve block on it. You kind of want to replace this in complete form because sometimes the valve block can act up, which is not on this car, but it's better to replace all of them and just not have issue with this at all. And here are the rear airbags. These are made by Bilstein. Both parts are from Rock Auto. They sell them there. It's fairly quick shipping, and pricing is actually really good too. So if you need them, check out rockauto.com. Okay, the new pump is on. As you can see, it's a lot quieter. It's working. The car leveled up, nice and even. This is the old pump. Looks to be original, and it's failed. Most likely the cylinder is broken inside. Alright, next step, I'm gonna replace the rear airbags, and this should be it. Okay, here are the old bags. As you can tell, they're pretty cracked up. No wonder they've been leaking. Both, can't see a date on them, but pretty sure these are original ones. Let's see a date. I don't see a date, but it looks pretty old. Anyway, so these were all bad. This was the main reason why it wasn't going up, and these were why it's not staying up for too long. Alright, so that was it for this repair. It just needed new bags and an air compressor. That was the one that was causing most of the problem. As far as that goes, that's about it. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you for watching.